Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is mod of x is equals to x plus 1, which is a given equation, and I am representing this equation as the equation number 1. Now this 4 is to power, our second equation is 4x plus 1 overall power 2022. I am representing this equation as the equation number 2, and this is the required equation. First, we should simplify equation number 1. For this purpose, we should apply squaring on the both sides of the equation 1. So, after applying the equation on the both side of applying squaring on the both side of the equation, x square equal to x plus 1 whole square. As we know that a plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If this x is a and this one is b, if we want to expand this formula from a plus b whole square formula, then we should replace a from x and b from 1, and we will insert the value of both a and b inside this equation, and as a result we should get x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, because this a will replace with this x and we should get x square, this b will replace with this 1 and we should get 1 square, and this ab will replace x and 1 and we should get as a result 2 into x into 1 on the left side of the equation, and the right side of the equation, which is already x square, will remain same. Now this x square will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus x square, and 1 square will be equal to 1 and plus will remain same, and 2 into x into 1 will be equal to 2x. Now this x square and this x square will cancel out together, and as a result we should get 0 on the on the right side of the equation, and the other side of the equation, which is 1 plus 2x, will remain same. Now in the next step we should get the value of x, as this 1 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 1, and this 2 will divide with this to this 1, and we should get the value of x is equal to minus 1 over 2. This is the value of x after simplifying this condition or this equation. Now we should solve this expression, and for this purpose we should replace this x from minus 1 over 2, and after replacing the value of x inside this equation with this minus 1 over 2, we will get 4 into minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Now this 2 and this 4 will divide or will cancel out together. As a result we should get minus 2, because 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, and when this 2 will multiply with this minus 1, we should get minus 2, and plus 1 will remain same. Overall power 2022 will remain same. And now we should simplify this condition, and as a result we should get minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1 will be equal to minus 1, and overall power 2022 will remain same. Now as we know that minus 1 is to power 2022 will be equal to 1, and this is the answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.